Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I will do arithmetic operations between integers. We will learn to write the codes for addition and subtraction of two integers. Let's open up a bit about this programming language before proceeding. C is a high-level programming language. It is general as well as specific purpose language. It was developed at Bell Laboratory in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie and Brian Kernighan. So let's discuss it here with an example. If you are familiar with this C, tokens and the syntax of this programming language, you can write a program very easily. We will write a program to add two integers. For this, let's open CodeBlocks IDE, create an empty file and do save it as a C file. Now, here starting with header section, we will write #include studio.h. Now, we will write the main function, int main. Then, we will declare the variables. Through these variables, we will write the logic for operation. A variable declaration is useful when you are using multiple files and you define your variable in one of the files which will be available at the time of linking of the program. Now, we will use the print function to display the words asking the input. It will print everything to the screen which is given inside the double quotes. Remember, every statement in C should end with semicolon. Now, scanf function allows you to accept input. Remember, here, int uses %d, so, we will write %d inside double quotation, comma, then variable's name. Now, in the next line, we will write the logic for arithmetic operation using the declared variables above. So, here we will write, sum is equal to, number 1, plus, number 2. After writing this logic, we need to recall the print function again to display the results. So, here we will write printf and in double quotation, we will write, %d, plus, %d, is equal to, %d, comma, number 1, number 2, sum. This line will display the result after calculating the value. In the last, just type return 0. Now, click on above given option, build, before run, it will build the program. Once built, just click on run, to check the program whether it is working or not. You can see here, it is working. This program has no error. In case, when you will find an error, then, you can go to the debug option, to examine it. Now, we will check the program by giving the input. Let's assume the first and second number is 6 and 5 respectively. Now, you can see the result. If you want to perform subtraction of two integers, then, simply change the variable name, sum, to, sub. Now, here in this line, change the variable's name again and in the logic, plus, to, minus. Now, in the next line, in print function, replace the value and variable's name. Now, just, build the program again and click on run to check it. Here, give any two inputs, let's, 9 and 3 are two numbers. You can see the result. Again, let's choose two numbers, that is 55 and 22 and see the result. If you want to write a program for addition of three numbers, you can do it too very easily. Just do declare another variable, number 3, here. Now, change the value to 3 from 2, so that user won't get confused. Now, in the next line, in scanf function, add %d and another new variable to be scanned. Now, in the next line, add another variable to get the sum. Here, in the print function, replace the data again and leave the rest as it is. Now, go to the option, build the program and click on run to check it. Here, you can see, it is asking for three numbers for inputs. Let's three numbers are 10, 20 and 30 respectively. Now, you can see the result. If you like my content and appreciate my efforts, and want more videos like this, you can make a small contribution to buy me a coffee. Link is in description. If you have any query left after watching this video and want another topic on C, let me know in the comment section. If you are new here on my YouTube channel, please subscribe.